Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a popsicle table. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need around 300 standard popsicle sticks, ensuring you have enough for the tabletop and legs. A reliable wood glue is crucial for strong bonds. Also, prepare a cutting mat, a sharp craft knife, and a ruler for accurate measurements and cuts. Finally, sandpaper and a clear sealant will give your table a professional finish. Now let's construct the tabletop. Begin by laying out your popsicle sticks side by side on a flat surface, forming the main surface of your table. Once you have your desired dimensions, apply wood glue to 2 sticks and place them perpendicularly across the ends of your laid out sticks. For added strength, glue 2 more sticks across the middle. This creates a sturdy base for your table. Next, we'll focus on building the table legs. You'll need to construct 4 identical leg structures. For each leg, glue several popsicle sticks together in layers, building up thickness and strength. Aim for each leg to be about 4 inches in height, providing a good proportion for your table. Patience is key here. Allow each leg assembly to dry completely before moving on to the next step. For our final steps, it's time to assemble and finish your table. Carefully attach the 4 dried leg structures to the underside of your tabletop. Make sure they are evenly spaced and securely glued to prevent wobbling. Once the glue is dry, gently sand any rough edges to achieve a smooth finish. Finally, apply a clear sealant to protect your beautiful popsicle stick table and give it a lasting shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.